Hello, my name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software. I just want to talk about fear. Fear is a big driver for a lot of decisions that we make, for a lot of things we do, and fear is just this constant companion for some of us. I know that I have a tendency to be very, very nervous. Am I doing the right things? Am I doing things the right way? Am I on top of the right stuff? Am I pursuing the right things in my career? It's a driver, right? I mean, I want to be making the right decisions. I want to be making a positive difference. I want to be making a positive impact, and I'm scared I'm not doing the right things, so I constantly research, constantly second guess, the decisions and choices that I'm making, because it's, scary. You don't want to be wrong, because it's not so much being wrong is going to break my ego or anything. I'm wrong a lot, so it's not that big a deal. But the real issue here is that choosing the wrong aspect on your career, choosing, I've been doing relational databases. I think I'll keep doing relational databases. Well, gosh, are relational databases going away? Short answer, no. No, they're not. Everyone who's working in or around relational databases still has a very long career ahead of us. Knowing that I worked for an insurance company that had systems that were 30, 40 years old, still operating, still doing what they do, we can probably pretty safely guess they're still going to, if no one develops another relational database starting from this moment, there's still going to be relational databases at work about 30 years from now. Almost guaranteed there's going to be some, right? However, people are developing relational databases right now. So the concept that relational databases are going to die, no, they're changing, right? What you can do with platform as a service offerings, Azure SQL Database has got automated backups. It's got automated patching. It's automated consistency checks. I mean, it's amazing, right? I mean, it does all this stuff automatically. It's got automatic failover if there's some kind of hardware issue. All things that are all occurring without any kind of DBA involvement. Therefore, the DBA is dead, right? Well, I mean, maybe, because let's also say that they've also got automatic index creation. It will check and observe the behavior of queries over time, and as those queries change over time, it will implement indexes as needed, and you will never, ever see it, except for the fact that there's reports and you can look and see what it did and why it chose things. And if it then rejected those queries later as load changed or stuff happened, you can see all that stuff. So it's not like it's all hidden away. So, but still, the DBA is gone, right? There's no more DBA. Well, no. I mean, two reasons. One, cool. They've got all the mechanics in place. You don't have to worry about disk placement. They're taking care of that. You don't have to worry about backups. They're taking care of that. You don't have to worry about failover clustering. They're taking care of that. But you do need to worry about the fact whether or not one data center may go offline and another one's still available. So you've got to set up stuff for getting between those. And there's mechanisms in place for doing that. More importantly, it drills down. They've got automatic indexing, right? So they can index, they can recognize your query load and index it. That's awesome, right? That's a big jump. And so they can also maintain statistics. They can do all those things. So all that little mechanical structures and stuff, that's all done. We win. Yeah. What if your code is just crap? Well, the indexing will help, but it's not going to fix it. What if your data structures, and you're still doing relational data structures, and you still should have foreign keys, and they still should have with check enabled. You should still have primary keys. All this stuff should still be occurring, right? And what happens if it's not? What happens if you're building crap databases? So if you've got crap code and crap databases, will automatic indexing, will automatic statistics maintenance fix it? Nope. Hey, you know what you might need? What you might need is somebody who specializes in the way that SQL Server works, who specializes in the way that queries work, and specializes in the way that indexing, primary keys, unique constraints, like a database developer or a DBA type person. you might still need that kind of expertise to ensure that we build functional, well-regulated databases that can get the job done. In short, the job ain't going away, the job is just changing. Don't be afraid. Embrace the change, get in front of it, and you'll be employed for quite a long time. Thank you. My name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software.